TTF Phoenix. We got Phoenix Origins. Is this your dumb fucking ass?
I have autism, bitch. Listen here. I'm gonna go snort some coke. Hang on. Whoa, holy fuck, man, that's good. Elon Musk, meme is real, meme.
Okay, yeah, so we saw, who was that? We saw, guys, that was fucking, fuck was that fucking loser? TTF. That is your gang leader right there, guys. That is your gang leader, and his name is, I don't fucking know. You fucking loser. Fucking loser. You are a fucking loser. Okay, yeah, and it's funny that you say to make a video about autism, because I swear every one of you motherfuckers has autism, Down syndrome, something. So it's kind of like you throw it back at everybody, right? You had the disease, right? So you throw it off on everybody. You're like, yeah, you have it. You have autism. Let's make fun of it. Yeah, let's just talk about it, make fun of it. That way we won't feel bad about ourselves having it. Here we go. What do we have here? Oh,